Wait. Hold on. Oh no. Oh, I messed up. Guys. I'm sorry.
You've got 17 seconds.
Go ahead.
Alright guys, we're here at Venus Fort, a shopping complex here in Odaiba. And it looks like they're updating or renovating the hobby shop that we were supposed to go and buy some model cars. So, that plan's completely shot. Oh no. What happened? What does it say? That's good timing. We're back at our favorite dog shop here in Tokyo, guys. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's a frenzy. It's a frenzy. Dude, we got a taskmaster at work here. Look at the worker. She's got 3 dogs while she's on the phone. That's amazing. Oh, these two are having a little playful fight here. Sorry guys, we were supposed to do some model car shopping. The shop here is actually closed, so I apologize. So we're gonna compensate by showing you some cute puppies. All right guys, we're having some pretty bad luck here. The car museum here that also has a second model car shop is closed. It looks like it will be reopened on the 2nd floor in this facility on January 17th. Yeah, we've been having some pretty bad luck. Both model shops are closed. I'm sorry, we got the 1st gen Skyline GTR. We got the museum that's also closed. So everything's closed for renovations. We're kind of screwed. We're kind of strategizing what to do next. I'm just reading some of the font up there. Here we go. Pretty Prius, do not make me so mad. I go swifter than arrow from the Sprinter. And we got one over here that says all for one Corolla for all. Go. Wait, trigger it. Go, go, go. You stupid. Hold on, maybe I can try. Hold on. No. Ah, there he goes. You sneaky bastard. Today has been such a failure. We're just gonna do fake dog spotting. All right guys, we're at the mall right now. It's a robot for the information desk. We should ask her something. Oh, it must be Japanese. Oh, it has to be Japanese. Dude, I don't know about this, guys. It's kind of weird.
今までに33カ国に行きました。最近行ったのはペルーです。
Ken doesn't seem to be phased at all.
Well, they're stealing our jobs.
Oh. Alright guys, we're in business. We're at Nakano Broadway. They got a bunch of Tomica cars, 164, 143 action figures. They actually have a bunch of arcades, watch stores, just a whole slew of just anything and everything here, guys. Just to give you an idea how large this place is, this is the 1st floor. Currently on the 2nd floor here, and of course there's a 3rd floor. There's a directory of all these shops. Crazy. Okay.
Yeah, get it, Gordon.
Alright, so we found a 164 version of my 2008 Prius. Should I get it? It's 900 yen. That's around, what, $7.50? It's a Kyosho model. And then we got the Veneno Roadster right over here. It's got this fancy little box. But the problem with collecting different like sizes of models, these are 164, I collect 118. So this one runs for around $25 US. It's got a nice little box, looking fancy, and I love the Veneno Roadster, but if I start collecting these, like, it's like going down a rabbit hole. You just never stop. You never know where you're gonna end up. I'm sorry, I'm gonna try to polarize this for you guys, but there's literally everything, anything. There's a 512 BBLM, 330 P4, Testarossas, a bunch of Ferraris, GTOs, 598 GTOs. Dude, there's literally so much stuff. All the McLarens are here, and of course, don't forget the 2008 Prius. We got a bunch of watch stores right over here. Check that out. All used watch stores. Rolexes, IWCs, Bell & Ross's, tags. Just a whole shebang here, guys. Everything. We got all the model cars over there. Of course, got the airsoft gun store. right over there. We've even got lighters down here. Check that out. Hold on, this is interesting. Nice. A bunch of Star Wars memorabilia and a bunch of R2-D2s. I think the store just specializes in like action figures and figurines, mainly Star Wars stuff right over here. Got a whole plethora of other stuff. Batman, Superman, Power Rangers, Austin Powers, Aliens. It just goes on and on and on. I know, I'm sorry guys, I promised you guys 1/18 scale models, but both of the stores that we want to go to were closed. We're actually going to Akihabara later on, which is like Tokyo's Electric Center. Other stuff here, there's literally just, whoa. All right, nice, okay. We got a dog sandwiched in a hamburger. Fantastic, and that dog's having some pancakes. All right, check this store out, guys. We're on the second floor. There's 3 floors at this particular complex. We got kiss masks, I think. I actually don't really know. We got a 60,000 yen funky mask, one that's 70,000. The other ones range from 10 to 40,000. Guys, we got a doll house or doll store. No way, guys. It's kind of weird. Respect. Of course, we're here at yet another model car shop. Oh, I'm eyeballing that. White F40, baby. Oh, it's not focusing. I think it's 143 scale? 80,000 yen. Shit, that's pretty expensive. No way, they even sell like autographed baseballs and jerseys and sneakers from famous Japanese baseballers. Ooh. Sports memorabilia. My goodness. We're at this quaint model shop in Tokyo. It's got a cute little chalkboard, and we got Aaron Chun inside. Buy more cars. Found a 118 Koenig BBI 512 right there in white. It's identical to Mr. Mira's car that we visited a few months ago and last year. Also looking at this 512 right here, Koenig Specials in red. I think I'll probably get the white one. I don't know. But unfortunately, I think it's cheaper in America to buy, so we're gonna unfortunately have to pass and move along. All right, we're gonna head out of here. Next door. Uh-oh. So not only do they have regular vending machines, we have vending machines for model cars and trains. So I think Aaron's gonna put 800 yen, and you don't really know what you're gonna get. Here we go. Again. What do you get? What do you get? What do you get? Oh, oh, it's in a, the fuck? It's in a canister. What's inside? You have to open it up on camera. Go on. That's all you get. It's a toilet roll. There you guys have it. 800 yen, special surprise. Just open it for God's sake.
Probably there's nothing.
That's scammed.
Oh. Oh.
Lotus.
A Lotus.
Green Lotus.
So
Oh.
doesn't sound very happy. It's an elite.
Oh, okay.
Well, wait, so do I need to return this one?
Put it in the bin.
Oh,
Oh, so those are all
okay,
the.
let's do it one more time.
Here we go, baby.
Fucked up, man.
I also bought myself a couple 143 models. That's right. I finally cracked, guys. I'll show you guys later in the Airbnb, but I got 2 143 models. Oh, there we go. What do we got? What do we got?
What the fuck? Oh, great. It's not 1 for 64.
Oh, what is it?
Some crap.
172.
Uh-oh. It's some
It's
nonsense.
a Lotus again. And it's
It's
sexy. What's that?
What are we looking at? All right, round 3. Third time's a charm. Here we go. What do we got? Oh,
Z8.
a Z8.
Nice. It's nice though.
The Z8. Okay.
Another one.
You gonna do it again?
Yeah. He's got an
Hold on.
A3.
An A3 Sportback, guys. What? Uh-oh. This could be it, guys. This could be the big one.
It's alright though.
Okay.
It's better.
Alfa Romeo 1600 Junior Z. All right, this is it, guys. This is the big one. 800 yen. Here we go. The final one. We're gonna have Ken. Oh, just here we go. This is it. This is the big one. Oh,
It's a
What is it?
it's a F3.
It's got no wheels. Oh.
This is.
Oh.
Alright, let's go. This is
Okay.
bullshit.
oh, okay. Well, there we go, guys.